Bianca, Columbia Dining's registered dietitian. A budget-friendly meal can be made in any kitchen, even if you only have a microwave. The Food Pantry at Columbia and Columbia Dining are teaming up to show you a recipe that is microwave-friendly, budget-friendly, and easy to prepare. Today we're making Huevos Rancheros. Let's get started. Place the tortilla on a microwave-safe plate and heat for about 10 seconds. Next, combine the salsa and beans separately and spread over the tortilla. Create a small indent for the eggs and pour over the bean and salsa mixture. Place the tortilla in the microwave and cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the egg is cooked halfway through. Then add cheese. Microwave again until the egg is cooked to desired. Finally, sprinkle with your favorite toppings, including avocado, more cheese, salsa, or jalapenos. Here it is, our Huevos Rancheros, made only in the microwave. For more information about the Food Pantry at Columbia, reach out here. See you in the dining halls.